Today, let's make a super easy and gentle foaming cleanser suitable for beginners. First, add distilled water in a container. Next, add glycerine. Then add cocamidopropylbutane, also known as CAP-B. It is a very mild amphoteric surfactant derived from coconut oil. It is suitable for all cleansing products, especially body washes, shampoos, bubble baths, mild facial washes, and even baby products. It is commonly used as a secondary surfactant, but it can also be used as a sole surfactant. Then, check the pH and adjust it to be between 5 and 5.5. Here, I'm using a 10% citric acid solution. Finally, add the preservative and adjust the pH again if necessary. Now, pour your mixture into a foaming bottle. The foaming bottle requires a special pump that allows for a precise mixing of liquid cleanser and air to dispense foam with each pump. Foam is created in the foaming chamber. In the foaming chamber, liquid cleansers are mixed with air and discharged through a nylon mesh to form fine foam. Therefore, ordinary pump bottles cannot be used to produce foam.